This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a better road planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are in Chiang Mai getting ready for yet another family trip. What the heck? Well, you guys know that family is everything. Family is important. And also in between my long, lonely runs to Bangkok and back again, we try to have some family trips. But actually, we were planning on, I wanted to have a little bit of chill week in Chiang Mai, but we must go to the hospital and get Axel checked. So yeah, they requested us to go there, so that's why we have to go to Chiang Mai. So this time we're gonna do it in GAC Aion ES. It's a sedan. Yeah, you guys don't know this. It's a Chinese car. But you probably heard about GAC. They have some GAC models that charges really fast, 480 kilowatt. This car charges at around 70 kilowatt. But yeah, it's like that Model 3 sedan type, right? But guess what? It actually has pretty good space. I measured, okay, Model 3 could take 19 boxes. This car can take 23. So it's quite spacious. The trunk here is deep, nice and deep, just the way I like it. See, we put the big suitcase there. We could put this Cybex e-Priam stroller in here, and we even have more space. We could probably put the Cybex Koya in here also. That's how spacious it is. And look here. So here we have Cybex Cloudset 2. On the other side there we have the Cybex Anoris T2. Isabelle's gonna climb into it now. And we have plenty of leg room here. Look at this. This is so good space. I think wifey can even go further forward so she can recline a bit. So, and then as usual, we bring the BYD Dolphin from Ceramic Pro. So Maya will be driving this car. So not much going on here. I think she didn't put anything in the back. No, this time we don't even have to put anything in the back there. We have just a little bit. Yeah, this is the Koya I was talking about. Koya is quite compact when you fold it. I bet I could put the Koya, maybe even that baby seat thing in the trunk over there. But okay, let's get ready and then off we go. And before we go, let me check something here. I've been charging mostly on solar. Yeah, we had 96%. Yeah, good to go. And that's all the Maya stuff. Well, I actually put the Koya here just in case Maya and the rest of the family split up something. Then we have all the child seat and everything, and the strollers here. So yeah, all good. There's even more space. This is wonderful. Tesla go home. And just like always, we come to All Day Cafe because we just happen to be hungry before we travel. So they have great food here and great drinks. So yeah, you see, as Thai, real Thai, we hug the shade. Huh? Huh? Okay, จะเอาเหมือนเดิมจะเอากะเพรา Okay, you see Maya's park here, but she also run the HVAC because that's a very nice BYD feature. Yeah, the car is on and all that, but the GAC Aion doesn't have it. So, well, I mean, it works for now. We are just sitting inside, so we can just pay attention to the car, but we just keep the car on and we'll keep the HVAC running. Hey, Isabelle, don't go too far to the car. Come on, Isabelle, come in here. You're gonna get suntan now. Shit, the sun is so strong over here. Little princess. Okay, look here. The car is off now. We locked the car, and there's also this same button here like we have in the BYD. But when I press and hold it, nothing happens. That means BYD is better. Oh yeah, this is so good that we cannot resist it. We have to eat at the same time every time. Okay, we have กะเพรา ผัดกะเพรา but also they include น้ำซุป and also an egg and all these vegetables, coriander, some onion, and this is cucumber. Huh? The same here, the same plate, but this is หมูกรอบ crispy pork, and then here for Maya is, I'm not sure what it is, but it also looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah, Isabelle is eating yum yum yum, and then that is strawberry milk thingy smoothie. And now Axel needs to take the medicine. Yeah. It's pink. He likes it. Good boy. Good boy. All right, it's 1 in the afternoon now. Isabelle should be sleepy around now. And yeah, wifey also wants to chill. She has a slight fever again. And Axel seems to be quiet. That's good. Maybe, hopefully he's getting used to sitting in the car now. Well, usually babies, they grow out of it. So, yeah, we're gonna go to Central Festival because Isabelle wants to play. And it's only 72 kilometers away, 71 kilometers from here. But it's gonna take over an hour because of traffic. Yeah, welcome to Thailand. And then also this car here, it is just so basic. It doesn't even have adaptive cruise control. But at least it seems to ride well. And I think also the consumption is low. We're gonna see once we are in Chiang Mai. Wow, look at the mother trucker. You have to make sure that you have enough mirrors. I've seen many of the truckers, they go like that. I mean, Thailand is a bit crazy, but it's also pretty cool. We are now at Central Festival. We had to find parking at the upper level, but fortunately we found parking on the roof. Yeah, Axel, he woke up. He wants some milk. And then he was kicking in the car seat so much that the band-aid, or whatever you call it, yeah, it has been exposed. Oh shit, we need to replace it. And then I think Isabelle just woke up now. You little princess, huh? Are you awake now? Okay, look here. So the instantaneous speed. Oh dang, man, lost in translation. Here, this is from Chiangdao to Chiang Mai. There is some downhill, I think around 100, 200 meter drop, but 125 watt-hour/km. That's pretty good. Oh, you baby, you big baby. Okay, Mama is gonna replace the band-aid, the tape, or whatever it is, and then we should be all good. Isabelle, you wanna go to the bounce? Isabelle, you wanna bounce your daddy? And then we have some medicine here for Axel. We put it in a cooler box with some ice cubes so it stays cool. But we don't want to expose it for too much heat around it anyway. And then this Aion doesn't have any keep climate on or anything like that. So it's eventually going to be warm in here, maybe 30 degrees Celsius, even in the shade. But the BYD has the keep climate on, but it only lasts for half an hour. So what we're going to do is that, well, maybe after 1 hour, Maya can come back because I will be in the bounce land. And then she has to reactivate it so that the temperature here stays around 20-ish degrees. That's at least better than 30 degrees. So then it doesn't heat up too long. Okay, standard routine, come to Central Festival. No, but it's really convenient to come here because we have toilet, we have shops, we have everything in one place. And we could just stroll around. Yeah, but today is Saturday, so it's a bit busy, but it seems like it's not as busy as New Year. Then it was super packed in here. Wait. Dude, they still have Christmas decoration here. Do they dare to play Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas again? Okay, so yeah, let's head over to, I'm not sure where we're gonna go. I think we're gonna get some iced tea first. Yeah, okay. Ladies agree. Okay, we went for Bear House. It's over there. There's always people queuing up there, so we want to know the hype because people that buy from Bear House, they take photos and probably tag them or something. So how good is this? We waited about half an hour just to get this. Ah, not some donut. Yeah, we also went for donuts. เป็นยังไง Okay. Oh, it's okay. Well, it's actually okay. อันนี้เป็นชาอะไรครับ
ชาไทย
Thai tea. Has a distinct tea taste. Not overdrawn by milk. And this is peach tea. Peach and lychee tea. Yeah, it's not that sweet. It's actually okay. Yeah, all right. I understand the hype. It's okay. This is good stuff. Okay, so now we split it. Isabelle, you play bunker, daddy. Isabelle, play bunker, daddy. You play bunker, daddy. Okay. Ah, kiss. So the plan now is that we split up. I go bounce with Isabelle, and the ladies, they go, they have to go buy diapers and stuff. You know, diapers in Thailand is freaking expensive. We are talking about around 40 euro cents per diaper. In Norway, it's around 10 euro cents. So it's a lot cheaper. Unfortunately, I couldn't bring too much diapers here because I had to bring the banana boxes. But next time, I'm gonna bring lots of diapers. Yeah, ABC always bring diapers. Always bring cheap diapers. ABCD. Here we go again. The bounce land. This is quite big. A lot of fun. Yeah, I'm gonna burn some calories with Isabelle here. Okay, Isabelle, come on. Where you gonna go first? Let's go here. She loves it. Isabelle. Isabelle, sharp, man. Sharp, man. Oh, you wanna do that? Okay. Let's go. Come on, Isabelle. Come on. Yeah. Ooh. The look on her face, it's priceless. Yeah. Oh. You like it, Isabelle, huh? Made a fart. Yeah. So some kids, they play alone, but Isabelle is just under 3 years old. So I always follow her around. Maybe give her a helping hand like this one. She cannot cross it herself. Plus I'm also her bodyguard, because there are some kids who don't watch out, they run fast. So I always try to look ahead, see where Isabelle is going, and then just follow her. Yeah. But man, it's exhausting, but I'm having a great time here. Just spending some quality time with Isabelle is priceless. Yeah, it is priceless, you know. And Isabelle is small now, and if I don't spend time with her now, I will regret it in the future. So yeah, come on, Isabelle, where do you want to go? She's having so much fun. Yeah. Whew, that was 1 hour of intense running around, 1 hour cardio. Yeah, and then Isabelle wanted watermelon smoothie, so we got her that. But just don't drink it too fast, Isabelle. Have a little break before, okay? Otherwise, you will cough. I think we need to change diaper also. Oh, yeah. But we are now outside. Yeah, at the car. Yeah, Anne-Marie, she had to change Band-Aid on Axel and whatever it is. Yeah, so they're just hanging out here. So, sure, I think we're gonna go back soon. But we have to prepare to go to the Airbnb because, you know, it's getting late. Yeah, for the kids. Ideally, we want to be at the Airbnb at 6. It's already past 6, so we better hurry. Grab some food and then get over there. And as usual, we come down here in the ground floor and there's so much food. We just end up here. Yeah, I know it's getting very repetitive, but hear me out. They have so much food here. They have fish, they have deep fried stuff, they have rice, they have fruit, they have they have so much. It's dessert. I think wife want to eat over there. So we'll see what to do. But we, as usual, we will buy stuff here. They have some freshly squeezed juice somewhere that I always buy from. Tesla Model 3, pre-Highland. Okay, we are now heading for the Airbnb. We chose different one every time. This is only 9 minutes away, so relatively close this time. Axel is grumpy, Isabelle is one happy panda. Okay, we stay at Airbnb again. This is by far the best house ever. I will show you why. But yeah, just fun fact, look here. In Norway, when I see the moon, it will be in a more upright position. But then down here, it's like this. Huh, yeah, I'm just used to Norway. Okay, by the way, see here? It's a very nice neighborhood. I see that it has been kept well. Everything just looks nice and tidy, you know. And some of the houses over there, they're freaking huge. Yeah, and this is, they call it Banchatsan. It's like a cluster of houses. There is a guard at the entrance 24 hour, and actually I got the slight wrong position initially, and I went on the other side there, and then the guard, very friendly, he came over with bicycle and used a flashlight and showed that this is the one. Really nice. And then okay, so as usual, I prefer to have plenty of space on the side because we have child seat. So then we only park one car here. We could probably cram in 2 cars here, but no big deal. We are by the end of the street here. So I asked the host, is it okay to park in front here, the other car? She said, yeah, it's fine, you know, as long as you're not in the way from the neighbor. So I'm thinking, just hug that side, because then they can just go like this and then out there. But let's show inside the house. All right, room inspection. This is only 3,000 baht per day. It's the cheapest we have rented. The most expensive was 4,500 baht, the one with the steep slope with the Model 3. So we have a little living room area here. Here we have a small toilet with urinal. Wow, there's a mosquito here. I'm trying to catch it, but okay. Yeah, and then moving over here. Dining table, we use it as a diaper change. We have a little bar here. I think you have to be careful. We already secured stuff that can break. Isabelle grabbed this like, oh shit. Now there, so we had to secure everything. You see, they actually made it child friendly. So yeah, we have, there is a kitchen. Well, there's a sink here, also a sink, kitchen over here. And then here we have actually a really big, hey, can we? Whoa, that is so cool. Never seen it before because I'm a peasant. Yeah, I'm a bastard. But one thing that kills my OCA is this. The middle light has a colder temperature than the 2 other ones. Okay, anyway, this is better. You big baby, Isabelle. Yeah, Axel is receiving some food now. Oh yeah. Those are actually kind of expensive. 75 baht each, but he likes it. So yeah, he's eating good. He's eating good, yeah. Okay, anyway, let's go upstairs. So I noticed that here it's not freaking dangerous, unlike the previous place where the edge is way too low, so you don't bump your head here. But it just looks nice and tidy and slick, and it is in good condition, unlike the other Airbnb I saw before. Here they actually have just a temporary air conditioning that has a hose, similar to what I have in, but they put the hose. This is okay, not ideal, but okay. And then look here. Okay, where do we start? Start with this room. I think this is the main bedroom. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Oh, sorry, the white balance is going all over the place now because they use different. I don't like this. It seems to be 4,000 Kelvin. I prefer 2,800 Kelvin, the warm light. Nice big bed, closet and stuff, and also a bathtub. And wow, you see, this is so much better than previous places where it was smelly or didn't look that great, was nasty, or was dangerous and shit like that. And then the next room here is also quite big. Boom, like wow, these rooms are huge. There's also a table. I could work here. This could be my office, you know. I wonder if the host is Chinese. Okay, so I might sleep here with Isabelle because I think wifey wants the room with the bedroom. And then the last room is for Maya. Well, has a second bathroom with shower. Good. 2 showers, 3 bathroom. Impressive. I think they use these instant water heaters. Yeah, very common in Thailand. Teslabjorn. Yeah, that's very common. Okay, and the last room is for Maya, and I was wondering if she would fit here, but it's because it's only a child bed. But it seems like the child bed is around 180 centimeters, so that's plenty of space for Maya, so she will be sleeping here. Yeah, all right, all good. So now we just chill with the family.